people, welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Thickman funeral. Thickman suit. One other than it's spooky because I never see this yet. All of a sudden I get bare pictures of Thickman in a casket. It confused me right away. Because tomorrow at the funeral, so me I see Thickman in a casket already. I tell him so the suit I go bossy. I tell him so the funeral I go bossy. But I never expect to see Thickman in a casket before the funeral. Is this like a new trend? I must say I can't really keep up with Irish accents, so I have to ask you, because enough things catch me by surprise. So I have to make sure ask you if it's a new trend. And if it is, it has to be studied. Before we go into that Patreon birthday shout out, very special Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Joycelyn. Yes. Joycelyn B from the Patreon squad. Long time supporter. From 2019. I tell you, no matter what they say, look at YouTuber or bad mind scammer. And people them say PIA them say. Joycelyn, no say the video got drop late, but more penny gone in your bed. I know say a big woman. Right? Jamaican people say a big woman, and don't say big woman have to get their rest. But Joycelyn, happy birthday. One more year on the sun. Wish you many more to come. Real big woman. That's Joycelyn B from the Patreon squad. He's a little YouTuber. A Saturday, you know. At first, I tell her, I say, no, so I'm probably not drop the video Saturday because Sunday is going to be a 3 video day. So I might drop it this Sunday. We'll change our plans. Sunday is still going to be a 3 video day. We might drop a video Saturday. So Joycelyn, pick up yourself. Happy birthday. I wish you a whole heap of health. And then after that, you can't worry about the wealth. That's Joycelyn B from the Patreon squad. Like big R up. Let we get into the video now. Because this has to be studied. Is this like a new trend? Where you see this Maddie before the funeral? Cause it must be a dinosaur who used to go funeral go see this Maddie. And when you go to the funeral, they say, oh, then fix him up, good man, then fix her up, good man. You make back all her face, make back all in face, cause they did mash up. And they say, Stoot, bad man. Me chillin' man, I get buried with any scene I'm on. Me chillin' man, Thickman I get buried with any scene I'm on. Foreign people them who own NSC, me don't know where them put in the NSC. But it connect with the Irish accent spirit, it connect. Right, with the Negro spirit. Till all man a bury man in NSC. I saw Thickman love NSC, and have to give him all a buckle. So what go on now, when the casket lock, what am I gonna do? Fly off the top and throw it in one cup with little chaser. Or I'm drinking it on the rocks. NSC. I mean, I've heard about NSC on the rocks, but not NSC on the casket. Yo, the dance so bossy. That jacket costs at least 10,000 US dollars. At least 10,000 US. Not to mention the watch. What kind of watch that? Who make that? It's a Rolex. Right. It's a Breitling. What kind of watch that? We can't even make it out. Right. Remember say we eyes them low budget, you know, we can't really make out the things them. Wonder if it's a Lamborghini watch. Pinky ring pan finger. Mafia style. But what I want to know, how picture gone on the road and man no bury it? Which one of you vile Irish accent is responsible for this? What do you mean if you tell me say, when you start new style now, when you can't even wait till the man then reach the funeral? Picture start go round from before man reach a funeral? So you know what the dead look like before you go to funeral? Imagine you go on a funeral and before you reach a funeral, you already know what they look like. You know him a weird. You know when I'm on. Remember talk to one other massive because I know sound not tune in regular. Like even though I say look YouTuber for there, you know sound not tune in see me. We don't have to change off the dance suit. Because on the water down the thing. 10,000 US for the dance jacket. The ring look like it cost one next 25,000. What that? 36 karat gold. The glass is about 1,000 US. All this spending was supposed to mesmerize the people them when they open the casket. But now they go put the thing on the road. It's like the thing watered down already. But I know say the budget high still, so they probably have a backup suit. Or maybe this is just the preview suit. And then Thickman go change clothes cause remember you know Irish Saxons full of style, you know. So you see like how sometimes man kick party and them have a 3 suit. You see them come out in a black first and then within 2 hours you see them change going on one blue suit and you say hold on, a small suit him have and then you see him come back out now one red suit and you say I saw you think mad man. It look like it reach funeral now. So it look like this are the preview suit and just show out that picture and say alright, see that night preview suit there. When they got a funeral, it's a whole different suit. Thing mad. I will not tell me if you stop bad mind done. Or if you stop bad mind done. When time Thickman thing so mad. And you see man suit, me can't read them suit there. I'm here alive. I'm on the day that we read 10,000 US dollar. 36 karat gold per my finger. Anyhow, you Irish Saxons start change clothes for dead man in a funeral, me don't know have problems. You can't study Irish Saxons, you know. I force me to say this, you know. Dead man, style, clothes, everything premiere before the funeral start, you know. It has to be studied. Right now my brain cell them mash up. Cause I don't even know what me I say. A style, a pattern is a new trend. Or I just leak. You can't even keep up to all the thing mad. And by mad I mean the literal mad. What is going on here? Thickman body in a casket on the road and Thickman not reach his own funeral yet. Guy, the circus that is about to ensue in Spanish Town, if you live in Spain or anywhere near Spain, tomorrow, that is the 30th of March. Cause I don't know when time I go hear that video. The 30th of March, that Sunday, avoid Spain Town, the circus that is about to proceed. Suarez brothers now have nothing upon them. The circus that is about to commence will have to be studied. Irish Saxons make our funeral nice. Every country, every group have a core competence. Right, some things that people just do well and do much better than others. I'm telling you already, say when it comes down to entertainment, right, pageantry, circusry, putting on a show, you can't beat Irish Saxons, guy. Funeral nice. Man, I look forward to funeral. To Jamaicans full of vibes and turn everything in a one party and excitement. Man, I look forward to funeral like how him look forward to dance. Man, no look forward to them picnic graduation. But him look forward to funeral. Yo, me can't wait, dog. Me say thing I go shot, dog. Can't wait for reach. I've had my clothes already. How are we seeing Thickman the day before Thickman for bury in a casket already? In a suit. Hennessy in a hand. Was this sponsored by Hennessy? Or will Hennessy sponsor afterwards? The people that own Hennessy must love you know. But me know the style already. Some man bury buckle in a hand. Some man bury spliff in a hand. Some man buried cash in a casket. Some man buried Rolex in their hand. The 30th of March, me advise you to avoid certain part of Spain because the dopey bat them will be out in full force. And there will be a competition for who can be the biggest dopey bat and get the most attention and pull off the greatest stunt. I would advise you, if you come from Spain, lock up in your house until the funeral procession gone. Because you don't want to buck up in them one other dopey back up on the road. That the funeral procession will not be normal, guy. Suarez brothers will not have nothing on that circus. See, start already there. We are sitting man na casket and the funeral not start yet. Man, them a give a preview. Force me and say this. Look like them shipping the jacket there from Italy. 25,000 US. Not because you can't afford it. Don't mean say you must bad minded on. You don't see me with NSC in the hand. Don't bad minded on. You don't see me with NSC in the hand. The circus will have to be studied. Might do a follow up on it. But we're gonna probably see video about the place anyway. But before the video done, check this out. Check this out. I'm telling you already about Area Heaven. See Thickman there in front of the steps to heaven. See Thickman there with the white dove back of him and the stairways to heaven. Right behind Thickman, that is the stairway to Area Heaven. Right. That is, if you've never seen the stairway to Area Heaven, there it is. That is Area Man, the wickedest and most vile people. As long as them put on 1 2 treat and they buy 1 2 man 1 guineas, it no matter what them do, they are heaven bound. As I've said many times before, enough Jamaicans who love to talk about God don't actually love God. They don't love anything or anyone. Them talk about God and them talk about religion only because they love the idea that they can do anything them want to anybody and then say, God forgive me and go Area Heaven. Let me say this again. This is something I've observed from a child. Some of the wickedest people I ever seen in my life are the people who talk about God the most. And you ask yourself the question about how small is so vile can talk about God so much. I finally realized the appeal. These people don't care about God. What they really like is the idea that you can do anything you want to do. And then, right when you take sick and you realize you're dead, they say, God forgive me, and then you go to heaven. That's what them really love. Might have to do a separate video on it. That's the real appeal to the fake, religious, fake, God-fearing culture in Jamaica and many parts of the world. People like the idea that you can butcher and plunder and do whatever you want, and then after you get bored, tired, and old, then you say, well, I've had my fun, God forgive me, and then go to heaven. I'm going to do a separate video on that. That's the real appeal. They don't believe in love your neighbor like how you love yourself. They don't believe in this and that, and they don't, not like that. They don't love no God. They don't believe in no God. They like the idea that there's a backup plan so you can do anything you want to, and they say, God forgive me. And then they end up right at the foot of the stairway to Area Heaven, side of Thickman. That's what they really like. That's for a separate video still. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.